In this video, we will talk about audio and its adjustment. Click on the audio. You will see the stock of audio which is completely copyright-free. There are multiple audio available. You can use any of them according to need. See, it is pretty simple and easy. By clicking on the film stock, you can also download more from their store for free. One thing you have to note: the audio with their thumbnail are complete audio, and the audio with no thumbnails are just sound effects. Now, let's import audio file from the system and looks at its adjustments. By double-clicking on it, you will see the audio adjustment settings. Fade in means the audio will start slowly. Similarly, fade out means the audio will end slowly. From this line you can adjust the sound's volume. Also from this slider option as well. From the equalizer you can adjust the audio according to need. Also you can adjust it manually. From this denoise, you can remove noise from your audio's background. It is extremely helpful when you are doing voice-over, and you want to remove noise from it. From here you can give volume value by typing it up here. The dot you see here is called pointer. By clicking on it, it will mark a point on the audio. Add many points on the audio according to need. The benefits of these points is that you can adjust audio at a specific point. You can clearly see. From these buttons you can easily navigate on the points that you marked.